Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to delete Instagram account permanently. If you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, so you just have to follow these steps. Just open your Instagram app, and here just tap on your profile icon and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on it and then tap on account center, and after that just scroll down and look for personal details. Here's that, just tap on it. Then tap on account ownership and control. Just tap on it. And here you just have to select the option of deactivate or deletion of account. Just tap on it and then select your Instagram account. And after that you have two options of deactivate your account and delete your account. You just have to choose second one and then tap on continue. And here you just have to tap on any reasons and then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, your account will be permanently deleted from Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.